I'm recording you.
Hi.
What are we doing right now?
We are making banana bread.
Really? Is this a TV show?
Yes, it's in Maeve's kitchen. Look, Dad, put it down here. Put down all this there, and then over there is the white sugar,
Or the
flour, and
baking soda
baking soda,
and salt.
and salt. And this is the brown sugar, butter, and crushed bananas and eggs.
And what are you going to do with that now?
Mix it,
Mm-hmm.
and after the banana bread are done, we get to eat this.
Oh, you get to lick that. Mmm.
It's brown sugar and butter mixed together,
Wonderful.
and it's actually good.
Yeah? Okay. Let's close down for this installment.